Hi, everybody. Welcome to our business presentation. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to each and everyone. People from different countries all around the world. So I'm here now, your coach VLG, to share to you a very great opportunity that you will really grab. I want you to sit back and relax and listen to my business presentation carefully. So let me share my screen. So I want you to listen carefully because I'm going to do the business presentation fast as I can. So welcome to our Eco and Green Choice International Incorporated. This is the name of our company. So we have in different countries right now, including the Philippines, Africa, Europe countries, and more. And this is a presentation updated December to 2024, this during the event. So the website of our company is www.greenchoice.com. Here you can see the different legalities in the Philippines, but not only this. You can go to our office and you can see more if you want to, and you can take a lot of pictures in order for you to prove that you are already at the office. So since our company, the owner of the formulation and our product is already patented, so we are now can share this. International certifications include safe to use in engines, fuel efficiency, and emissions reduction. So we have in Malaysia, China SGS, New Zealand, India bases, Philippines LTO or Land Transport Office. We have Indonesia PPT, we have Singapore AA, Thailand, and Philippines Grab. So our product is 30 years of expertise already. So our mission is to lower emission for our future. Then you can read all of these words here. It's too long. Why we need to use power field, the ozone layer, of course, we need to take care of it, most especially our Mother Earth. What are the causes of damage of ozone layer? So you can read this one also. And I can give this to you if you want to. Then as you can see, we have now the increase of our fuel. So we have solution for that. Okay, the layer of success for 30 years of success for this company, we have the market partners, we have the process patents, and we have the machine patents, trade secrets. So our products is really nobody can copy. Nobody can you can fake. Our 5 steps winning formula, we have emulsifies water, improves combustion, improves lubricity, acts as detergent and dispersant, and we have emission reduction. So you can also read all of that. What Power Fuel Saver Plus can do? So we have average of 14% increase in fuel economy. We have 30% increase in power and efficiency. We have 50% eliminates and prevents carbon deposits. We have 50% increases the life of spark plugs. We have 25% increases time between maintenance, and we have 80% decreases pollutant emissions. So it's the same with this slide. So what is our flagship product? So our newest product launch this month of December. So we have now the Power Peel Plus, and we also have the Micro Peel. So this can use to all types of cars. So we have 100% safe on all engines. So we have reduced emissions, fuel savings, reduced maintenance, more power. So if you are not a member yet, then we have the suggested price here, retail price for 950 pesos, and we have the retail price for 760 pesos. So how is the mixing ratio? Is 1 pill into 75 liters. So if you will just use half of it, you will divide into 2. Then you need to cut the pill into 2. Okay, so How to use? Put pill into the gasoline, petrol, and diesel fuel tank. We also have for motors and tricycles. Of course, this can also use in 4 wheels, but this pill is only for 15 liters. Still, you can still divide it into 2 when you use it. So 15 divided by 2, or if you are using like 8 liters, then you need to cut the pill into 2. Then how much is the price of our package? We have 3,705. Then I'm gonna use data Tagalog here. This is very important when I start the earnings. So our package is 3,705. Experience real exclusivity and a lifetime opportunity. So guys, ito po yung presyo ng ating package. Kapag may nagpa-member po na isang tao sa inyo, 3,705 lang po ang amount niya. Okay, so ano po yung makukuha mo? So dati po, ang business volume po niyan ay 23 BBs lang. So again, tandaan nyo po, ngayon po meron na po tayong 30 BBs. Pinataas na ng ating company yung BBs sa launching promo ito mismo. So ano nga ba ang BBs? Ito po ay 1:1. Ibig sabihin, 1 US dollar is equivalent to 1 BB. Okay? Ibig sabihin, kung 1 BB, kung 30 BBs yan, kung ang 1 US dollar natin ngayon ay 56 pesos, ibig sabihin 30 times 56. So magkano po yan sa peso? 1,680 pesos po yan. Anong makukuha mo? Professional back office, replicated website, 2 Powerfill Plus, 1 micropill at saka isang sabon. Okay? So paano ang kitaan? Or 6 ways to earn. We have the retailer's discount, 20% daily. We have direct referral, 10% daily. We have matching bonus, binary bonus, 30%. Weekly weaker legs start at 60 BBs or business volume. And we have unilevel team bonus weekly. Earn from your first level and to fifth level. 10, 8, 4, 2, 1% according to your rank. I'm gonna explain later. Global poll 2% bonus quarterly. Action bonus daily 1 time. Commission starting first date to 14 days. Get 5% on direct referral sales commission. Sorry. So I'm gonna explain one by one. So retailers discount, you have 20% the daily, you know, retailer. So if you will buy pag bumili ka ng isang pack ng Power Pill Plus, no, meron siyang 4 business volumes. Ibig sabihin, meron kang 224 pesos dyan. Okay? So, kapag member ka, 760 pesos lang po ang babayaran mo sa OBS. At the same time, kikita ka po ng 224 pesos. Okay? Kapag naman bumili ka ng micropill, no, 160 pesos lang po sa member, and then kikita ka po ng 1 BB or 56 pesos po yan. Pangalawa, kapag may na-invite ka na isang tao, meron ka pong 10% sa daily, no? Ibig sabihin, kapag ang package ay 3,705, ibig sabihin, ang 10% noon ay 370 pesos, 0.50 centavo. Ibig sabihin, yun po ang kikitain mo sa isang tao pa lang po yan. Eh, how much more po kung marami kang may invite? Okay, so ito po yung calculation, no? Per day, magkano po ang kikitain mo sa isang buwan po yan na calculation. Okay? And then pangatlo, meron tayong matching binary bonus, 30% weekly weaker leg start at BB. So pag naipon po yung points mo, for example, meron kang weaker leg at a strong leg. Of course, no, kapag pumasok yon at nagkaroon ka ng 60 BBs, no, sa kaliwang leg mo, sa weaker leg mo, kukwentahin po yan ng system. So magkano po ang kikitain mo? Ita-times po yan sa 30%. Tapos ita-times po yan sa 56 pesos. Again, kung meron ka kung ang weaker leg mo ay 60 lang, no, ita-times po sa 30% times 56 pesos po yan. Yun po ang resulta ng iyong kitaan dito. No flash out, remaining BB carry over the next commission day, no maintenance, and at least 6 months active po yang inyong account. Okay? So meron din po tayong unilevel team bonus weekly according to your rank po ito. Kapag ikaw ay umabot ng ruby, meron ka ng 10% sa level 1 mo. Kapag emerald ka naman, meron kang 10% at 4%. Sa diamond, meron kang 10%, 8%, and 2%, then pag Royal Diamond, 10%, 8%, 4%, 2%, at Imperial Diamond, meron kang 10%, 8%, 4%, 2%, 1%. Ito po ay sa first level up to fifth level. First level, ito po yung kauna-unahang in-invite mo. Yung in-invite mo, level 2, in-invite ng invite po, level 3, and so on, pababa po yan. Lahat po yan, from first to fifth level. So global pool, ibig sabihin, ito po yung sinasabi natin na profit sharing from the company. Meron ka pong 2% bonus on global sales for qualified ranks. Ibig sabihin, ito po yung kitaan ng ating kumpanya sa buong mundo. No, sa iba-ibang bansa po yan. No? At makikita nyo po dito, no, meron kang 2%. So for example, mag-start kang sa par 1 star, no, meron kang share na. Start po ng sa par 1 star. Paano po siya makamit? 2,000 BB po yan. Okay? Hanggang pataas po yan doon. So kung marami ang sa par 1 star, marami kayong maghahati sa 2% nakita ng kumpanya. Okay? Then, sa action bonus naman, ito na yung sinasabi guys, no? Doon sa kapag nakapag-invite ka ng isang tao, 3,705, kikita ka na ng 30 BBs na 1,680 plus direct referral na 370 pesos ay total of 2,205 pesos. So, ibig sabihin, yun ang kinita mo. After 14 days ng kinita mo doon sa mga invite mo sa isang tao, no, kukwentahin po ng system yung total sales ng isang taong yon. So, 5% po noon, mapupunta po yan sa inyo. Paano po kung nakapag-invite ka ng maraming tao? So, bawat tao in 14 days, at least nakadirect sa'yo, bawat tao po, meron ka pong kikitain na 5% po doon. Okay? So, I think klaro, no? Again, after 14 days, yung na-invite mo, kukwintahin ang total sales niya, 5% ng total sales niya, kabuo ang kita, 5% nun ay mapupunta po sa iyo. Okay? So pag-usapan natin yung 7 ways travel incentives, yung recognition, rewards weekly, Zoom Live, raffle draw, no? Meron po tayo yan, no? We have incentives, we have cars, travels, ayan na po, no? Inulit ko lang po siya. And then eto, no? We have car incentive. Kailangan mahit mo po yung 1-star Imperial Diamond and magkakaroon ka po ng luxury dream car mo. Pangalawa, no? Kailangan po ay mahit nyo din po yung Emerald 1-star at magkakaroon ka ng 100. Kailangan meron kang 100,000 BBs, no? At magkakaroon ka na po ng free travel, no, for 2. For example, ikaw lang ang nakahit. For example, yan ha, ikaw lang po ang nakahit niyan. Meron ka pong pwedeng isama. So, pwede mo pong isama ang nanay mo, ang kapatid mo, o kung sino man. At least dalawa po kayo. Libre po yan. Okay? So, ayan, meron din po tayong travel to Europe, no? So, eto po, no, mahirap pong kumuha ng Schengen visa sa Europe, pero ang kumpanya po natin ang tutulong sa atin. Kailangan mong mahit ang Emerald 2 stars na 200,000 business volumes po. Travel for 2 pa rin po yan. No, kahit ikaw lang mag-isa ang nakahit yan, pwede ka pong magsama ng kahit sino. Okay? So we also have in South Africa. Okay? Sa South Africa naman, no, meron din po dyan na mechanics. Okay? At dito, excited ako. Gusto ko pong mapuntahan ang lugar na ito, ang bansang ito, kasi gusto kong malaman yung lifestyle talaga doon sa bansang iyon. Okay? So, meron din po tayong recognition and rewards, no? Then, eto po siya. So, ngayon, no, kaya gustong-gusto ko yung update, no, ng ating company. Meron po tayong recognition and rewards, no? Kapag nag-start ka po ng sa par 1 star, no, makikita nyo po 2,000 BBs lang po, no? Meron ka pong makukuhang sapatos. Okay? Pag nag-hit naman po kayo ng sa par 2 star, no, may makukuha ka pong Apple AirPods. Then, pag 3 star naman, meron ka pong Apple Watch. Pag Ruby 1 star ka naman, meron kang Apple iPad. Pag Ruby 2 star, meron kang Apple iPhone 15. Meron ka rin pong Apple MacBook Air pag Ruby 3 star ka naman. Okay? Yan po ay incentives na binibigay ng ating company. Okay? So, ayan, no? Ito naman po sa mga highest ranks, no? So papansin niyo po diyan, no? Start ng Emerald 1 star, no? Pag nakahit po kayo ng 100,000 BVs, no? Meron po kayong Asian Cruise. Kapag naman po ng Emerald 2 star Europe Tour, Emerald 3 star South Africa Tour. So kapag naman po Diamond na kayo, 1 star, meron kang Diamond Ring 1 carat, and Diamond 2 star, meron kang Rolex Datejust 41, and Diamond 3 star, meron kang Rolex Datejust second man, no? Ito po ay makukuha mo kapag nag-rank up ka po. At hindi pa po doon, no? Pag ito pa po ang mga highest, to the highest level na po ito na mga ranking, no? Ito po ay saan ka pa maghahanap ng kumpanya na ibibigay sa inyo panghabang buhay mo na ito. Okay? Kasi po napapansin niyo po diyan, no? Ang Royal Diamond dito po, no, kapag 2,500,000 business volumes, meron kang makukuhang 1.5 million, no, na life insurance, no? Mostly magtatanong yung mga members, no, sa iba-ibang kumpanya. Ito po tinatanong nila, may insurance ba kayo? Eto po, meron po kami. Then meron din po kaming 3 million time deposit kapag naging Royal Diamond 2 star ka na. At kapag naging Royal Diamond 3 star, meron kang 5 million retirement savings. No? Ito yung nagtatrabaho ka, meron kang ini-expect na pera sa pinaghihirapan mo. Tama? So kapag Imperial Diamond 1 star ka naman, meron kang 10 million luxury car. Okay? Pag naman, Imperial Diamond 2 star, meron ka namang 15 million luxury furnished condominium 1 bedroom. At kapag naman ay isa ka ng Imperial Diamond 3 star, naku po, 30 million luxury house and lot po ang ibibigay ng kumpanya natin sa inyo. So saan ka pa, no? Sa kumpanyang ito, andito na po lahat. All in one package, no? Ibig sabihin, all in one business, no? Green Choice is the best choice. So, next year meron po tayong games, no? At ito pong scratch card gaming system natin, no? Live raffle draw via Zoom every Saturday po 'yan, no? Kapag meron po kayong scratch card, no, na ibibigay sa inyong mga invite, no, ipa-attend nyo po sila every Saturday at pwede po silang manalo ng ibang papremyo. Depende po sa dami ng tao na a-attend. Okay, meron po diyan, no, pinamimigay po produkto, no, meron pong mga gadgets, meron din pong mga pera, no, at iba pa. Marami pa pong iba. So, by next year, no, marami po ang sure ako na by next year kapag nag-launch na po yung games natin, no, makikipag-compete na po tayo sa iba-ibang lugar, no, iba-ibang bansa. At tandaan niyo po, no, ang maganda dito, no, ewan ko lang po kung ito pa rin po yun, no, yung sinabi na ng company dati na kapag nanalo ka ng gadgets dito, no, pag halimbawa ilang beses kang nanalo, paulit-ulit yung panalo mo, pwede nyo po yung palitan ng pera sa kumpanya. Pero I think it's around like 80-20%, no? 80% no mapupunta sa inyo, 20% sa company. Pero hindi pa po ako sure. Okay? Hindi ko po sinasabing yun na po talaga yun. So, tanungin po natin, no? Magdi-decide po ang kumpanya kapag meron na po tayong games online. Okay? Ito naman po yung ating light-saving bulb, no? Ito pong ating light-saving bulb, napakaganda, no? Ang consume po ng kuryente niya napakababa, 5 watts and then 60 watts ang lightning, sobrang liwanag, kasing liwanag ng poste. And makakasave ka po ng kuryente mo dito 90%, no? So palitan nyo na po yung bulb nyo na mga malakas kumain ng kuryente. Ito po ay 5 years warranty at 10 years lifespan po yan. Okay? Ito po ay merong lithium ion AAA. Emergency light mode. Kapag po brown out sa lugar ninyo, pwede nyo po siyang gamitin. No? Pwede nyo pong hawakan sa inyong kamay. Pwede nyo pong ibabad sa konting basa na tissue. No? Pwede din po, kung meron po kayong automatic switch, no, na ginawa po ng isang electrical engineer na binili nyo po sa kanya. Meron po kaming sample niyan sa office. Pwede po kayong bumili. Pwede po yun. No? Kung gusto nyo pong makasave na hindi nyo po yan ginagamit ang ilaw sa kuryente na nagbabayad po kayo, then gamitin nyo po itong ating light-saving bulb made by our Diode International. So ito po ang isang, ito po, no, ito papakita ko po sa inyo, ito po ay sa Rockwell. Kung nakita nyo po yung ilaw dyan, no, ang ating kumpanya din po ang nagkabit ng lead lights dyan kumbaga ngayon ay nakasave na po sila ng malaking discount no sa kanilang kuryente, no? Congratulations sa atin no lahat kasi dito pa lang sa napakalaking lugar ng Rockwell na ito, no? Ang company po natin no ang nakapag-solve nakapagbigay ng solusyon sa pag-save ng kuryente dahil po diyan sa ating kumpanya na si Diode International. Okay? So ito po yung mga additional natin ng mga products no sa ating kumpanya. So ito meron po tayong shampoo and conditioner no. Pwede po ito po ay equivalent to 3 bottles of liquid no na shampoo and conditioner no. Wag niyo lang pong ibabad para hindi agad matunaw no and sa tubig. And ito na po yung sabon natin no. Himalayan salt o oak charcoal. Ito po ay napakaganda. Mabisa po ito sa mga mabaho ang katawan, may amoy no, amoy kilikili or nangangate. Pwede po ito. Pwede din po ito sa mga kaspa, pwede po ito sa mga galis no ng aso, pwede po sa mga animals, pwede po sa tao. Okay? So ito naman po ating mga Fereshti product. Nako, napakaganda po ito, napakabango at ito po ay organic, no? Nature po ito, no? Ang ating pong kumpanya ay more on eco, no? Eco-friendly po. So ito po, we have the facial mask. Pag naghilamos ka, ilalagay mo sa mukha mo, babandawan mo. Pagkatapos, lalagyan mo ng moisturizer. Huwag mo nang bandawan, ibabad mo. And then paggabi naman, pag naghilamos ka, ibababad mo yung facial mask naman po yan na parang binubotox ang mukha mo. Kapag ginamit mo po yan, para ka pong nagbubotox at talagang isa po siyang napakakinis po ng iyong balat. No, ito po yung prices niya no, pinakita ko sa inyo. And then paano pong gagawin no? Of course, kailangan mong mag-join kung gusto mong makakuha ng earnings dito sa kumpanyang ito. You need to build your team and to create a huge community and live your dream. Okay? Ayan na po siya. So ito po yung opisina natin sa Switzerland at ito naman po yung opisina natin sa Maynila. May email din po tayo dyan. So isave po natin yung ating si Mother Earth. No, we need to save our Earth. So this is the example of Spectrum of the Seas no for our Royal Caribbean cruise ship in Asia. Okay guys. So ito po no ang nagagawa ng ating carpil no kung luma siya no from before and after nakita nyo po kung gaano nakaluma at talagang nangingitim na no. Grabe na po no. So ito po yung gantimpala no para sa ating mga sasakyan no. Lilinisan niya po yan. So ito po basahin niyo na lang po yan guys no. So ano po yung benefits or ano po yung sino nga ba o ano nga po ba si carpil, okay? Ayan po, hindi po yan basta-basta no, sinuri po yan ng matindi sa ibang bansa no, sa ating headquarters doon sa Maine, sa Switzerland no, mapapansin niyo po diyan no, ang carpil. So kaya panalong-panalo po talaga ang ating negosyo, no? Ayun po guys, no, maraming salamat po sa inyong pakikinig, no? At i-stop ko na po ang share ko kasi meron na lang po tayong how many minutes na lang po para mag-off ang ating business presentation. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pakikinig. So that's all and you are here now. Yeah. So that's it. Malika, that's how we present. No, it's Taglish. I can do it the full Tagalog, but of course you are there, so you can understand a little bit of it. So that's all, you know, and I'm gonna end this call. Then I'm gonna post this in my YouTube channel, okay? So I can share to you the recording, so you can share this to many people, as many as you can. Yes, Erika, you still have like 7 minutes.
Oh, no problem. Cool. That is fantastic. You see, you don't need a lot of time because if you go for too long,
I think I don't know, maybe like 30 minutes, it's better.
Yeah, it's better to have it shorter because, yeah, like you just did. So 40 minutes should be enough for Zoom. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because the people start getting bored afterwards, you know. If it goes on for too long, you can't do 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Like normally 30 minutes or less we normally do. You know what I mean? Yeah, in South Africa
I will try my best to do like lesser, no? You know, lesser. minutes.
Yeah, but
So,
that is fantastic. No, no,
yeah.
I'm just saying. But that is what I'm saying. Don't worry about the fact that you got only 40 minutes on your Zoom. 40 minutes should be enough. And then we just say, get back to the person that invited you, kind of thing, you know?
Yeah.
Something like
So,
that. Yeah.
yeah. That's it.
Anyway,
So,
enjoy your day. Is Chrissy still there? I see Chrissy left the call. It's only the two of us. She's
yeah,
celebrating.
because
She's
this is a
celebrating
recording.
her,
Yeah, I have a pay-ins,
yeah.
I'm very happy because I have pay-in here in the Philippines. So because it's a break right now, it's December, so we're going to have full force the next year, hopefully by
Mhm.
January. But before that, I have invited a very huge community of a ministry. They are singers in
Mhm.
the Church of Baptist, Seventh-day Adventist.
Ah,
And yeah, I want to
mhm.
shout out to all of them. By this coming January, we're going to do a business presentation to a huge community of the churches. And yeah,
Ah, wow.
yeah, this is great because I feel that there's a lot of blessings coming this next year.
Yes. No, definitely. Definitely. Yeah, but you guys must
And
work so that you can come to Cape Town. I'm
they
telling you,
where they
Cape
found
Town's
me?
beautiful.
You know where they
Mm.
found me? They found me in my postings.
Wow, that's
Yeah,
brilliant.
I just posted
You
my
see? So
poster that I'm doing a business presentation. They
yeah.
inquire in my post, and I talked to them, and then I brought them in the
Mhm.
office. So we did a business
Ah,
presentation in the office. They understand the business and they
yeah,
joined.
that's brilliant. I saw the pictures. That's brilliant. Well done.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. But we'll speak again soon. Okay.
Yeah.
Enjoy your
Thank you
day.
very
Thank you for
much.
letting me.
Thank you for being here.
Okay. Thank you for inviting me.
Okay,
Okay
bye-bye.
then. Bye.